Yeah, I know. My Harley was dead this morning, so I had to ride this. I said my Harley was dead this morning, so I had to ride this.
I just had a feeling you had a Harley.
Yeah.
I can't knock Honda.
Yeah, they're nice.
I shouldn't say that.
I like them. Yeah. How about doing this hog ride? I'm gonna be the only sport bike. Just Pan-Am. Alright guys, the ride's about to start. I'm the only sport bike in this group. It's a bunch of like 40-year-old Harley guys. So this will be fun. We'll see how this goes. Wish I could have brought the Harley this morning, but of course it was dead, so should have charged it last night and I did not. Pull on the vent. It's warm. Today shouldn't be too hot out though, so hopefully that goes for us. I've got a Harley though. I guess I'm a Harley owner. So, alright, looks like it's starting. This is a move right here, riding a Honda sport bike and a Harley group ride for Harley Homecoming 2025. I've seen Kentucky plates, Tennessee plates, Wisconsin plates. Bet no one expected to see a Honda pull up and start riding with them. It's been a pretty chill ride so far. Obviously I'm the fastest bike here, so people are just kind of scrambling to get into place. What the hell? Are people not moving over? Yeah. I'm getting stuck. Yeah. This guy's got to try to like lead me in. Yeah. There we go. He's trying to get the group all together again. It's gotten a little bit of a mess because people are getting way back. It's a nice relaxing ride for the most part though, other than just trying to play catch up and shit. Switching their positions, which kind of sucks because then everybody has to kind of shift. So I pulled up, there were about 30 or so people there, maybe 20, probably less than 30, but there were quite a few of us there. They were all like in a circle. They did their meeting and everything already. I woke up this morning, my Harley was dead, so I couldn't bring my Harley. So I ended up being like 5 minutes late. I missed the briefing for it. Missed the briefing, had to kind of wait, and then I ended up at the very end because obviously I'm on a sport bike. So it was kind of embarrassing pulling up and I'm riding a freaking sports bike instead of a Harley. I wish I could have brought my Harley though, but that's kind of just what happens sometimes, unfortunately. And Harley was dead, so couldn't bring it. Honestly, there's a little less bikes than I thought would be out here today. I thought we'd see a few more bikes, but it's still a really good group, so it's whatever. Luckily, this interstate's only 2 lanes, and there's not a whole lot of weird entrance ramps or exit ramps. It's like a normal exit ramps here, so it shouldn't be too terrible. Alright, I think it's time to go home and get the Harley.
Alright, be careful.
Thank you. That sucked. My Harley was dead this morning when I woke up,
Right.
so I had to ride this thing.
Hey, it's all good.
It's so embarrassing. So embarrassing. Usually I plug it into the battery tender, but I haven't plugged it in for a while, so.
Listen, I got some backup bikes.
Yep. Yep. I'm gonna go grab it now. So.
Okay.
Yep.
Very cool.
See you guys.
Safe, man.
Yeah. Thanks.
Appreciate you.
That was the ride organizer or whatever that works for Harley. But I'm gonna go home now. I don't know if I'm gonna keep riding. I don't know if I'm gonna do some more Harley stuff today. Probably go hang out with my friends and go swim in this pool and stuff like that. So tomorrow I'm gonna be back out here. Today was pretty fun though. Had a pretty good time. My bike's almost at that 300 miles, which means break-in's almost over. It's at 295, 294 right now. But yeah, I'm gonna go grab some oil for this bad girl. Go grab some like chain lube and stuff like that. I'm gonna clean the chain, tighten the chain, change the oil real quick, and then I'm gonna go over to my friend Riley's house to go swim in a pool. So that'll be pretty fun. The Harley ride wasn't too bad. They were pretty accepting of the fact that I rode this thing and my Harley battery was dead this morning, so it wasn't as embarrassing as I thought it was going to be. Bunch of nice people. All right. My visor was up for that, so hopefully you guys could hear it a little bit better, the engine noise. But I definitely hit redline because it was not going any faster. I wasn't looking at my speedometer or anything. I feel like usually I don't hit redline though. I get about to like 10k RPM and then I switch gears. But yeah, I'm gonna close my visor now because it is a little windy on this thing. My GoPro died during the ride, so I don't know how much of that you guys saw, but basically we're on the interstate, and then after we got done with that, we kind of took some of these back roads that I've ridden in my past videos, and big group of us. There were way more than I thought, but we kind of just hung out and had a really good ride. So whenever you guys go and look at the Harley Davidson Facebook page and stuff like that, or anything that like shows the Harley group owner ride, and you see a sport bike, that's me. Alright, so what I think I'm going to do with this video is make it like a two-part type thing. So, first video is going to be like the Harley group ride, and then this part right here, of course. Second part is going to be me just kind of like doing an oil change and some super boring shit. Thanks. That dude is letting me by because he wants me to have a little fun. So, yeah, second part of this video is going to be, it's going to be a separate video, but just some boring stuff of me going to do an oil change and make sure that my chain's tight enough and everything like that. So that's going to be it for this part of it. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys thought it was kind of funny that I was the only one with a sports bike. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day, and I will see you guys later.